Welcome back, Cali crew. Welcome back to my channel, High Resistance RC. Check out what we got here today. We got the Team Associated RC10B74.1D. This thing is cool, man. Real cool. So, long story short, my son, he's 12 years old, and he said, "Hey, Daddy, I want to start racing." And I was like, "Oh shit, you want to race? All right, let's do this." It's been a hobby of mine since I was a little boy, so I'm excited for him. So the B74.1D, it has a different slipper clutch center diff, and it comes as a kit. And as a kit, he built it all by himself. 12 years old, he built it all by himself. All I did was help him like solder stuff, and he put everything together. This kit comes completely piece by piece, so you have to put it together by yourself. And it didn't even come with wheels and tires. No motor, no electronics, none of that stuff. And you even had to paint the body. He did this paint job. It's pretty good for his first time. Looks pretty cool. Let's check it out. He did some like little flames on here. It's pretty cool. Look at that. 12 years old. Man, that's cool. So we're gonna do a quick overview on it. I'm gonna show you what's underneath the hood of this bad boy, and show you all the electronics that I put in here. And then we're gonna take it out to the backyard track, and then we're gonna shoot some cool footage and maybe get some air off the gap jump and just see how good this performs. All right, let's go at it. All right, guys, here's underneath the hood. So we were kind of on a little budget, you know, we couldn't go all out and spend thousands of dollars, but the electronics I went with was the Hobby Wing, the 10BL120 with the Hobby Wing quick run motor, 8.5 turn. And look at all the carbon fiber. It's pretty cool what Team Associated did here with all the carbon fiber, the aluminum threaded shocks, a lot of metal, carbon fiber. It's looking cool. Let me show you up front. And with the electronics for the transmitter, I went with this Dumbo RC. A lot of people talk shit about it, but it works. And then I went with this, found it real cheap on Amazon. I forgot which servo it is, but it was real cheap. I got two of them for probably like 25 bucks. But there's a quick overview underneath the hood. Looks good, looks good. Welcome to the backyard track, guys. Let's check it out. Two, three. So the RC10 74.1D, it was a bad boy. It was good. It handled the track, the backyard track pretty good. And we got some cool footage for you. And I hope you liked the video. Like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Peace.